In this video, we will solve UPSC Prelims 2026 CSAT paper set D. And in this part of video, we will solve some questions on quantitative aptitude. So let's get started. The first question. For 1 by 3 less than x less than y less than 2, which of the following statement is or are always correct? So this question is about inequalities. So they have given two statements, they have given some values. We have to check whether they are always correct or not. So let us assume some value. So I will assume for x, I will assume since it is 1 by 3 is less than 1 x, so x I will assume as 1 by 2, x as 1 by 2. Okay, because 1 by 3 means 0.33, 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, so for x I'm assuming 1 by 2. For y I will assume 1. So I will assume y as 1. So let us put them into the first statement. X plus 1 by x. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by x. Since this is already fraction, 1 divided by 1 by 2 will become 2. Less than y is 1 plus 1 by 1 is 1 only. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 2, that is 2.5. 2.5 can be written as, we'll just write it like this as a simple 2.5. Less than 1 plus 1 is 2. Can 2.5 be less than 2? No, not possible. Because they was always correct. No, it's not always correct. So let us put it into the next statement. Let's go to the second statement. 1 plus y square, which is so square root of 1 plus y square. Y is 1, so y square is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this becomes root 2. This left hand side becomes root 2. Divided by y means 1, so we don't need to write that. Okay, so less than square root of 1 plus x square is 1 by 2 we have taken. So x square becomes 1 by 4. So this will be 1 plus 1 by 4. And what I'll do here is instead of keeping this x, I will keep it inside the bracket. So this becomes x square. So I'm moving it inside the bracket. So it becomes x square. So this becomes 1 by 4 because 1 by 2 square becomes 1 by 4. So 1 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 5 by 4. Divided by we have 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled, so we have root 5. Can we say root 2 is less than root 5? Yes, certainly. Root 2 is less than root 5. So this holds good. So we can say option B 2 only. Okay, for those who have this confusion, I'll just clarify this. This, if I send it in the bracket, this 1 plus x square, this x when it goes inside becomes x square. Okay, so that's what is done here. Let's move to the second question. What is the minimum number of times one needs to measure to get 298 liters of water from a tank if the measuring cylinders have capacities? It's quite simple question, straightforward question. The capacity has to be 298. So how do we do it? There are two methods. One is additive, one is subtractive. Let us do with additive method. What happens in additive method? We keep on solving from the maximum one will take. So we'll take 100 liters. So 100 liters 2 times we will take. This is 200 liters. Next we will take 25 liters. 25 can take 3 times. This becomes 75 liters. Next we take 6 liters. 6 liters we can take 3 times. This becomes 18 liters. Then we have 1 liter. This we will take 5 times. It becomes 5 liters. So together 18, this 5 plus 75, 80, 98, 298 liters. So this is one way of doing it. So what is the time? How many times it will take? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 5, 13 times. So this is the third. This is one way of doing it, 13 times. Okay. Hold on. This is not the final answer. Let us do subtractive method. Now what happens in subtractive method? We'll go to the maximum first. 298 means the closest one is 100. We can take 100 into 3 times. 100 into 3 times gives us 300. Then what we can do? First we will measure 300, then we will remove 2 because 298 is nothing but 300 minus 2 is 298. So we'll just remove 2 times. So 1 liter will remove 2 times. So this becomes minus 2. So this will also give us 298. So how many attempts required here? 3 plus 2, 5. Since the question is about what is the minimum number of times, we will go with the smallest number. The question was on maximum, we could have gone with 30. The both are possibilities only, but the question is about minimum number of times. So we will go with option B, 5 as the correct answer. Let's look at next question. There are 4 types of weights. It's similar to the previous question. Here we need to measure 20 kgs and there are some conditions given. At least 8 but not more than 11 weights of 1 kg. So there is a condition here. Okay. So what we will do? We will start with this condition. 1 kg into 8 we will take minimum. Okay. So we'll take the minimum 1 kg into 8. That is the minimum. If out of 20 kg already 8 kg is gone, so how much more we have to measure? 12 kgs is what we have to measure. So we'll focus on 12 first right now. Okay. We don't need to worry about this 8 now. We will focus only on 12. How do we get 12 now? Out of this 2, 5 and 10 we have to measure. To get 12, the first way is 10 kg into 1, which gives me 10. Then 2 kg into 1 will give me 2. So 10 plus 2, 12 kg. This is one option. Second option, 10 kg into 1 is 10 and 1 kg into 2 will give me 12. This is the second option for me, right? 10 kg into 1 and then 2 kg into 2. Okay, 2 kg into 1 and 1 kg into 2. Both we can. So, oh, sorry, we can't take 1 kg into 2 because 1 kg we have already done. So, this is not possible. So, when we take 10 kg, it is only one possibility. Okay, one possibility when we start from 10 kg weight. 1 kg we have already taken. So, that is not possible. Let us look at the second way. What if I take 5 kg? It's 5 kg into 2 gives me 10. And 2 kg into 1 gives me 2. This is another possibility. This is second way of doing it. Okay, 5 kg into 2 plus 2 kg into 1. Okay. Now, this is second way. Third way, can I take 5 kg into 1, which gives me 5 kg, and then take, since I need 10, right? Since I need 12, right? So, no, this is not possible. That's it. Okay, here also 5 kg, I have only one option. To get 12, I have only one option here. Now, what else can I do? Can I do it this way? Taking directly 2 kgs? Yes, I can take 2 kg and take 6 times. Yes, 2 kg weight 6 times will give me 12. Possible. So, 12 possible. Yeah. So, I took for 8 kg, I took 10 kg into 1 and 2 kg. This is one possibility. 5 kg into 2, this is another possibility. Then 2 kg into 6, this is another possibility. So, 3 possibilities are done when I take 8 minimum and then 12 as a this one. So, this is 3 ways. What if I take the second possibility 1 kg into 9? 1 kg into 9 means how much is remaining? 11 kg is remaining. This is the fourth possibility we are doing. So, 11 kg means can I take 10 kg or not possible because 1 kg we can't take. So, 10 kg we can't take. 5 kg into 1 will give me 5. 2 kg into 3 will give me 6. Yes, this is a possibility. So, this is the fourth possibility. 5 kg into 1 and 2 kg into 3. This is another possibility. Okay. Yeah, done. So, fourth possibility is done. Now, 1 kg into 10 kg if I take, I need another 10 kgs. So, here I can do directly 10 kg of 1. So, this is the fifth possibility. 10 kg over. Or sixth possibility, 5 kg into 2, 10 kgs. This is another sixth possibility. And seventh possibility is 2 kg into 5, 10. So this is also possible. Okay, this is possibility. Seven possibilities over. Let us look at one more possibility. What if I take 1 kg into 11 times? This is the maximum chance I have. How much remaining? 9 is remaining now. If 9 is remaining, so this is the eighth possibility I'm doing. 5 kg into 1 will give me 5. 2 kg into 2 will give me 4. Yes, this is another possibility. Yes. So we got total 8 possibilities. We can't do anything else apart from this. So option B, 8 is the correct answer. Let's go to next question. A cut on a solid object divides the object into two parts where the new surfaces thus produced are plane. On the other hand, one single cut can be used to cut more than one object at a time. In an experiment, the total number of pieces produced by applying n cuts is denoted by xn. The experiment is performed on a solid cube where pieces remain unmoved after each cut. In this experiment, if after the third cut the cut pieces are identical, then which of the following is not a possible value? This is a quietly next level question which requires the basic conceptual understanding, and if you know the basic shortcut formula we can solve it. Otherwise this takes a lot of time. Okay, so let us do it in a simple way. So there's a formula for this to find out how many number of pieces, maximum number of pieces for a cube. It is given by this formula, n cube plus 5n plus 6. This is a shortcut formula which we can use. Okay, now since we can produce here maximum 4 cuts, okay, it's given that it is 4 cuts can be done after third cut, then which means we have to take it as n as 4, because x4 is given here. Possible values of x4, we will take it n as 4. So 4 cube plus 5 into 4 plus 6 divided by 6. So this will give us 16 plus 20, 36 plus, sorry, 64 plus 20, 80, 84 plus 6, 90. So this gives us 90 by 6, which is 15. So this means maximum number of pieces in a cube are 15. Maximum number of pieces are 15. So which is not possible value here? 16 is not possible value because all other values are possible. So we'll go with option A, 16. Fifth one. The class average X in a test increases by 4 when the score of a student is rectified, whose corrected score is 100 instead of 0. Later, the score of another student was found to have been recorded as 81 in place of 56. So basically, there is a correction here. So there is a correction. So for this, we'll just use a simple method. Change in average is nothing but equal to change in total divided by L. Okay. Change in average is nothing but change in total divided by. What is the change in average in first case? It is 4 is equal to, what is the change in total? 100 divided by n. Since we don't know n, we can find out n from here. So n is equal to 100 by 4, which is 25. So we get n. This makes it easy for us now. N is 25. Now the next change, 81 in place of 56. What is the change here? 25 is the change. So 25 is the change here. Next. So change in average. Change in average is nothing but 25 divided by 25, which is 1. This has reduced. So here it increased and here it decreased. Finally, what is the answer? 3. So we'll go with option B. 3 is the correct answer. Next one. This is quite easier question. 3 variables x, y, and z take values 2, 3, 4, 5 such that their values are always distinct. If m and n donate the largest possible and smallest possible value respectively for the expression. So we use the expression. First, we'll go with the largest value possible. So what is the largest value possible? We'll take the largest number 5. Since they are distinct, we have to take them only once. 5 into 4 plus we will take maximum. So this will give us 20 plus 3, 23. I'll go with the smaller number next. 2 into 3 plus 4. So this will give us 6 plus 4, 10. So this is m, this is n. M minus n is 13 because 23 minus 10 is 13. Option C, 13 is the right answer. Suppose x, y and z are variables taking positive real numbers as their possible values. It is given that y is directly proportional to x square. Y is directly proportional to x square. Whenever we have directly proportional, to make it equal, we have to use a constant. So we'll use constant as k1 x square. Okay, this is one. It is given that y is directly proportional to x square and x is inversely proportional to z. Inversely proportional to z. So this becomes 1 by z, or x is equal to k2. This is another constant divided by z. For z is equal to 7 by 25, the values of x and y are 5 by 50. So this is given. So values of x and y and z are given for some values. So let us take. So here y is given as 50 and x is given as 5. Okay, so k1 becomes, so this is 5 square. So 5 square. So this is 25 by 50. K1 becomes 2. Okay, now on this side, if we go, this is 5. Here we have k2. So z is 7 by 25. So reverse means 25 by 7. So 5 gets cancelled. So k2 becomes 7 by 5. Okay, this is one way of doing it by calculating k1 and k2. We got k1 and k2. If we just substitute the values, we can get the answer. We can do it this way, or we can also do one more shortcut. Let us do the shortcut way because this is taking long time. When they have given two proportions, just take them into ratio. Y1 by y2 is equal to x1 by x2 whole square, because y is proportional to x square. That's why. Okay. K, you might think y, I'm not taking constant. Constant will get cancelled when I divide both. So constant gets cancelled. What is the value of y1 first? 50 is given. Divided by y2, 98 is given. So what is the x1 value? 5. We don't know what is x2. We have to find out x2. Okay. So this is 25. This 25 and 50 get cancelled. 2 by 98, which becomes 1 by 49, or x2 becomes, x2 square becomes 49, or x2 becomes 7. So we get value of x. Now we have to find the value of z. When we come this side, x1 divided by x2 is equal to z2 divided by z1. Why? Because it is inversely proportional. Okay. So x1 value is 5, x2 we just now got 7, z2 we don't know, we have to find out. Z1 is nothing but, it is already given, 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So z2 is equal to what happens? This 7 by 25 comes to this side. So 7 by 25 divided by 7 here, you have into 5 here. 7 gets cancelled. So 5 by 25, which is 1 by 5. So this is a simple method. Just take them in a proportion and just solve it, because this constant and all these things will take a long time. So let us not go with this method as of now. We'll go with this direct method. So the answer is option B, 1 by 5. I hope the video was helpful. In our next part of the video, we will solve some more questions on this. Thank you.